Today I'm going to show you paradox. It is an elegant tangle formed only by straight lines. Even though it has a simple structure, it is a challenging tangle to draw and requires high focus. I usually tangle paradox when I have a huge task or an event ahead of me, because it helps me improve my focus. So let me show you. You need a paper and a pen. We are going to start with a triangle. I want you to draw one triangle. Don't worry about straight lines. Just do your best. Okay, now let's start at the very top, right here. We are going to imagine that we are taking this edge here and pushing it inside, just like this. Now from this point here, we are taking this edge and pushing it in. As I go, I find it easier to rotate my tile. Now keep adding lines and don't stop in the middle, because you will lose track of where you are. Think of it as a rotating triangle. Slow down if you need to. Give yourself more time to draw each line. We are so used to typing and texting, but not drawing. So let your muscles get used to drawing. This is not about rushing to completion. Okay, that's one paradox. And you can see how beautiful it is. You can see that it forms a pinwheel shape here. Look at this. Now we are going to add another triangle here. We have one side and we need to add two more. We'll start from the same point again, but instead of the left side, we will use the right side of this triangle. So just draw a line as if you are rotating this triangle. Keep going, keep adding lines. Now look at how these lines turned out. The pattern inside turned out mirrored to what I did on the other side. Let's add more triangles. So this one should mirror the first one. That's why let's start from the bottom here and draw our lines. Draw each line slowly. The more you focus on it, the less you are distracted by your thoughts. Now let's draw a triangle here. And we want it to mirror this one. So we'll start from the bottom. So that we can mirror our lines. Don't forget to breathe. This is not about rushing to completion. It's about being in the present moment and enjoying the process. I'm gonna add 2 more triangles here. And the challenge is to figure out from which point to start drawing your lines. Don't worry if you made a mistake. There are no expectations here, and our main goal is to enjoy tangling. You can stop here, or if you have some time, let's add more triangles. I love it. If you have more time, you can add more triangles. Let me know your thoughts. I'd love to hear from you.